Let us learn to write Hindi vowels today. The first letter is A. For writing A, we have to write one 3 first, then a small sleeping line, a standing line, then again a sleeping line on the top. And for A, we have to write the letter A again, and then we have to add another standing line, and then for the top, sleeping line. And for the letter E, we have to start with a very small standing line and put in a small yes and a small curve at the bottom, and then sleeping line. For writing E, we have to write E. And then we have to put up a small tail at the top of E. It is E, E. And for U, we have to write a small 3 and a sleeping line on the top. For U, we have to write a 3 and a tail after the 3. That is U, U. For writing re, we have to write K flipped, like we don't have to put K like this, we have to put K like this. And after that, a very small slanting line, and then we have to curve like and put a C like this, and on the top we have to put a sleeping line, re, re. And then the letter A. For writing the letter A, first a standing line, then a standing line, then a line curved from that, again a sleeping line, A. And for I, we have to write A again, and on the top of the sleeping line, a small tail like, and this is I. And the next letter is O. For writing O, the letter R is used. On the top of the letter R, we have to put a small tail. One tail means it's O, O. And the next letter is OW. For OW also, we have to use the letter R. And on the top of the letter R, we have to draw two tails. So it is OW, OW. And the next letter is For writing the letter A is used. After the letter a small dot is placed at the top. So it's And for the letter we have to use the letter A and two dots after A. So it is ah. This is how we write all the Hindi vowels. Please subscribe for more useful content. Thank you.